morning, Master.
Panda! Panda! Wake up! He's quit.
What do we do now, Master? With the panda gone, who will be the Dragon Warrior?
All we can do is resume our training and trust that in time, the true Dragon Warrior will be revealed. What are you doing here?
Ah! Hi! Good morning, Master. I thought I'd warm up a little.
You're stuck.
Stuck? Nah, what? Stuck? Nah, this is not enough. Yeah, I'm stuck.
Help him.
Oh, dear.
And maybe on 3. 1, 2. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
No, really, I appreciate it.
Ever.
You actually thought you could learn to do a full split in one night? It takes years to develop one's flexibility, and years longer to apply it in combat. Put that down. The only souvenirs we collect here are bloody knuckles and broken bones.
Yeah. Excellent.
Let's get started.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
I'm sorry, brother. I thought you said you were ready.
That was awesome! Let's go again! Oh!
I've been taking it easy on you, Panda, but no more. Your next opponent will be me.
All right, yeah, let's go!
Step forth. The true path to victory is to find your opponent's weakness and make him suffer for it.
Oh, yeah!
To take his strength and use it against him until he finally falls or quits.
But a real warrior never quits.
Don't worry, Master. I will never quit!
If he's smart, he won't come back up those steps.
But he will.
He's not gonna quit, is he?
He's not going to quit bouncing, tell you that.